Hey, beautiful babes, your girl, Sweet Angel. Hey, if you're a newbie, welcome to the channel. Go ahead and join my beautiful babe brigade. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button and tap that post notification bell, and you'll be in the know each and every time I upload a video. And if you're one of my beautiful babes already, thanks again for stopping back in. I appreciate you time after time. Y'all, I got a good one for you today, and I'm excited to get to it. So let's not hesitate. Let's get it.
You probably know that collagen is a miracle skin treatment, giving your skin a younger, healthier look by minimizing fine lines and firming the skin. But did you know you can make your own collagen treatment at home? This all-natural DIY face mask recipe may help boost your skin's collagen-producing abilities. Let me share with you. Who knew eggs? Egg whites, as a matter of fact, contain collagen. Their high protein content means they also contain a high amount of collagen. Egg whites are high in proline and glycine, which are the main amino acids that make up collagen, which is great for your skin. Let me show you what you need. 1 egg white. 2 teaspoons of collagen peptides. I'm using this one by Rivalus. It's Rivalus Collagen Peptides. I found it right on Amazon, but you can use whatever brand you choose. To make this simple mask, just whisk or blend 1 egg white and stir in the collagen peptides and apply it directly to your face. Cover the area with tissues or toilet paper if you got any extra left, and allow it to dry until the paper becomes stiff. Then peel it away and rinse with warm water. You can do this 1 to 2 times a week. Now, if your skin is already dry or sensitive, use this every 2 weeks, because the egg white can be very drying on the skin. Once you rinse it away with warm water, simply apply your moisturizer as usual. And that's how we do it.
All right, beautiful babes, that is it. Your girl is tight and right. I love it. I love it. Boosting collagen, tightening the skin, all in one whop. Beautiful. Beautiful babes, if you enjoyed today's video, you got something out of it, really easy treatment, so you can definitely do this one. If you need a resource to pick up your collagen peptides, check out my link below. It's from my Amazon store. I really would appreciate it. And I know you already got the eggs, so just get the egg whites, the collagen peptides, and you're in the game. Absolutely. And beautiful babes, I am through. I will see y'all in the next video. Drop a like on this video. Make sure you leave a comment if you have any questions. If not, just drop me some hearts. You know how we roll. And beautiful babes, don't keep me a secret. Don't do that. Everybody wants to know about something good for the skin, so make sure you do one more thing, and that's to share me with your world. And I'll see you on some more videos. Yeah.